Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn how to find the perimeter of a polygon. For the first problem, we are looking at a regular octagon. So some things that are important here is the word regular and octagon. With octagons, that tells us we have 8 sides. But the fact that they called it a regular octagon means that all of the sides are the same. So we know that we have 5 centimeters on the top, as well as 5 centimeters all the way around. And using the power of editing, we have 5s all the way around. So when we're asked to find the perimeter of something, they want to know how long all of the sides are when you add them together. It's kind of like the distance of fence around a yard or something like that. So we want to add all 8 sides together. There are a couple ways to do this. You can do it with addition, adding 5 together 8 times, or since we know that we have 8 sides, all 5 centimeters long, we can do 8 times 5 centimeters. Both of those will give you the same answer. So 8 times 5 gives us 40, and make sure to add the centimeters to the end. For the next problem, we have an irregular polygon. It's basically a random shape that is defined by straight sides. In this case, we have 6 sides that we will have to add together. So we can get started by writing them all down. We have 2 inches, we'll cross that out, plus 3 inches, plus another 2 inches, plus 4 inches, plus 3 inches, plus 4 inches. If you add all those numbers up, that will give you 18 inches as your final answer. For our final example, we have a new challenge. We have another polygon, but it seems like some of the sides are missing measurements. So the first step for a problem like this is to find our missing sides. You will notice that this side and this side are the same length. So we can say that the right side of the shape is 6 units long. Now let's take a look at the bottom. We can see that the bottom is the same as adding all of these pieces together. Adding 1 plus 3 plus 3 tells us that the bottom is 7 units long. Now that we know all of the sides, we can add them together to find the perimeter. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 3s. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 6 and 6, which is another 12, and then 1 and 7, which is 8. Adding these together, we get 8 plus 12, which is 20, plus 12, 32. There are no units on this problem, so the final answer is 32. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.